Brian Sherrod is in Colorado's only first alert traffic tracker, seeing how bad the winds are out there on the roads. I mean, we could see right behind you, Brian. It's really blowing.
You can definitely see it's really blowing. We found this car dealership that's right near I-70 in Ward, and you can see the balloons behind us are just blowing a little bit. But where it's really actually showing is when we're kind of panning a little bit and you're seeing the actual flags. That's really showing you how much is blowing this morning. The wind really strong out here in Wheat Ridge, and the further west we were going, the stronger the wind was. We started out in Denver, decided to go on I-70. Let's say let's continue to keep heading west, and we saw this car dealership. The winds were blowing, the flags. We were like, hey, let's come out here and actually show you how busy it is when it comes to just how windy it is. We can definitely say that it is very windy. Probably can hear it going through my mic right now. Kind of also hard to hear you guys through my earpiece, so I have my hat on, so that way you can actually hear me as well. But definitely just telling you, just the winds being an impact. Traffic-wise, it actually looks pretty good in Wheat Ridge, but we'll continue to keep you updated throughout the morning.
Yeah, for sure. And high-profile vehicles going in that area, right, Brian, they really need to be careful. Just go at slower speed. So thanks so much. We're going to get back to you in just a bit. But